We just received another glowing review from another one of our satisfied customers, and we wanted to share it with the world. Here's what they had to say. And here's what one customer wrote about their experience with our staff. We believe that reviews like this are a great testament to our commitment of quality. Our team loves to share this positive feedback with the world, so you can feel confident that you're turning to the right company for your needs. So whether you are somebody we haven't seen in a while or new to us, we value all customers, new and old, and treat them equally with great customer service. So why wait? Call us on the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.